There are sports media programs all over the country, but our students get tons and tons of hands-on experience.
So the sports media students here at Susquehanna, it's not just a matter of them taking classes. We also really encourage them to put their classroom learning into action.
We've got first-year students who are directing a live broadcast, sophomores that are hands-on equipment, students that are doing the engineering part of our broadcast.
In my first year, I began directing. As I started to progress, I started to get my hands on literally everything that I could. It was really good experience to be able to direct, produce, work with other students, and get these bigger projects done.
Being a manager in AFCOM, I get to kind of have that leadership and mentorship experience where I get to learn and grow to always be vastly improving. A lot of those skills will come with me because you have to learn to troubleshoot, you have to learn to problem solve, you have to learn to be able to adapt to the times to make sure that you're providing the best experience possible.
We have students that are interested on all fronts, from an athletic communication standpoint, a broadcasting standpoint, a reporting standpoint. Like, they're all invested and really want to learn.
There's a ton of stuff that goes on behind the scenes, and that's where the students really learn the most.
One of the things that makes me especially proud about our program is that the students drive so much of it. We have talented students who want to, it seems every year, carry the program a little further, elevate the program a little bit more.
A lot of the students that are coming in, they want to learn this stuff, and that's a rare thing. I mean,